In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export projects from Honeybook. If you're managing multiple projects and need to streamline your data, this guide is for you. Exporting your projects can help you keep track of your workflow, analyze data offline, or simply back up your information. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Projects section within Honeybook. This is easily done by clicking on Projects in the side navigation bar. The projects page will display your entire pipeline showing all the projects you're currently working on. This is a great way to see everything at a glance and decide what you need to export. Once you're on the projects page, you'll want to select the projects you wish to export. If you're looking to export everything visible on your current screen, there's a convenient feature to simplify this process. Look for the checkbox at the top of the project list. Clicking this box will select all the projects currently displayed. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with a large number of projects. After selecting your projects, the next step is to initiate the download. You'll notice that upon selecting the projects, a toolbar will appear at the top of the list. Here, look for the download option, often represented by a cloud icon, or it might simply be labeled as an export button. Click on this to start the export process. Once you've clicked export, Honeybook will handle the processing for you. This part requires a little patience as Honeybook processes your request and prepares the data for download. You don't need to stay on the page while this is happening. You can go about other tasks if needed. Now, this is where it gets even easier. Honeybook will send a download link directly to your email address. The email will contain a link to download your projects as a CSV file. This CSV format is incredibly useful for further data manipulation in spreadsheet programs like Excel or Google Sheets, allowing you to sort, filter, and analyze your project data as needed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently export your projects from Honeybook. Remember, exporting your projects regularly can be a valuable part of your project management routine, ensuring you always have your data backed up and accessible for offline review or analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to check out other Honeybook features to enhance your project management experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy exporting!